this tool is a good way to work with documents that have a folder structure. Then you can simply choose the top level folder above, select that, and it will pull in all the appropriate documents that are contained within there. So that's what I'm going to do here, just selecting that top level folder with those subfolders in it. Normally you'll have everything, each file is a document in itself. There are ways you can deal with, say, a record where you actually want to go through page by page. So you can look at doing this or double-sided. And there are ways that you can rearrange and resplit documents, but we won't go through that today. We're going to assume that each file is a document in its own right. But what I will do is tick this box, which says that those folder names I want to actually pull in, because I'm going to train the system using the folder names. I'm going to tick that box, and that's going to mean that it's going to assign the document types for training automatically as I import. So as a result of doing that, what you're seeing here is all of the documents that were contained within those folders, and the type has been entered because of the folder name. So all that is a reflection of the folder that was there, and the status is set to manual, which means that it's been told manually what type of document this is. The tool itself does not include any OCR function. So it is important that whatever you're importing into here has already been OCR'd. So that's usually a pre-processing step. If you don't do that, if you say you got a PDF that just image only, they will immediately be marked as blank in the type. So you just detect if there is no content whatsoever in the document because there's no OCR data. So you'll quickly see if you need to do that step. In the simplest case, that may be all I needed to do. I've trained up a classifier based on this, and I could save that out. When I save a file in that way, it actually creates two files. One is the project file, which is this configuration. It also saves the learning set. That is what is uploaded to the service. If you want to deploy this classifier, that's the result of the training process. So that's a binary file, but that contains everything it needs to know to run the classifier in production.